Hello guys, I'm Cheriyan. Today we need to continue the maxima minima problems. Okay. Show that the largest rectangle inscribed in a circle of radius r is a square. That is, we need to show that the maximum area of a rectangle inscribed in a circle is the area of a square, or the maximum rectangle inscribed in a circle is a square. Okay, maximum means maximum, the largest rectangle means the largest area. Okay, first we need to take this, this is a rectangle, not a square. That is, length of the rectangle is L and breadth is B. Okay, let L be the length of the rectangle and B be the breadth. Okay, of the rectangle. What is the area? Area is equal to length into breadth. Okay, that is, this is the center. Draw a perpendicular from here to this chord and draw another perpendicular from here to this chord. This is the radius r. See, this is a right angle triangle. So what is this length? B by 2. Yesterday we learned that the perpendicular from the center to a chord bisects the chord. If the length of the chord is 100, the perpendicular bisects the chord means this one is 50 and this one is 50. Perpendicular means this one should be 90. Okay, that is the theorem in geometry. You know, when we learn circle, that is the important theorem. Okay, so what is this length? Total length is L. From here to here is L. From here to here is B. So this one is B by 2, this one is L by 2. So we get a relation. See, if this is L by 2, this one is also L by 2. We need to find out a relation between L and B. We can find out a relation from the circle. Okay. See, you apply the Pythagoras theorem here. That is L square by 2 square plus B square by 2 square. B square by 2 square equals R square. Okay. From this, we need to find out L. So L square by 2 square, that is 4, plus B square by 4 equals R square. L square by 4 equals R square minus B square by 4. Okay. Multiply throughout by 4. 4 multiply 4 here, multiply 4 here. 4 cancel. 4 cancel. L square equals 4R square minus B square. What is L? L is equal to square root of 4R square minus B square. Okay. Substitute this value here. A is equal to square root of 4R square minus B square. See, one more time. See, this is the chord. This is another chord. Draw two perpendiculars from the center. One is towards the B, another one to the chord L. So it bisects the chord. Means this length is B by 2, this length is L by 2. If this is L by 2, this is also L by 2. From the right angle triangle, base square plus height square is equal to R square. See, base square plus height square is equal to hypotenuse square. That is Pythagorean theorem, Pythagoras theorem. So L square by 4 plus B square by 4 equals R square. Multiplying throughout by 4, you get L square is equal to 4R square minus B square. L is equal to square root of 4R square. See why we cannot differentiate here. Why? Because there are three variables here, A, L, B. We cannot differentiate. So you need to convert L into B. So that is why we take this condition from the figure. Okay. So A is equal to, instead of L, we can substitute 4L square minus B square into B. See here, there are two variables. You need to apply the product rule. D by dx of uv equals u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. Okay, here dA by dB equals this one into square root of 4R square minus first function u into derivative second. dB, what is the derivative of b? dB by dB. dB by dB 1. You don't need, that is, it is like x. Derivative of x is 1. That why it is 1? dx by dx. Right? Here dB. A and B. Before, we did so many problems like y is equal to a function of x. Okay? Here function of b, not x, b. A is the area is the function of b. No, that is the relation. Okay, first function derivative of b 1 plus b into derivative of square root of, what is the derivative of square root of u? 1 by 2 root u. 1 by, that is a formula, 4R square minus b square into chain rule. Derivative of 4R, 4R is a constant, 4 is a constant, so derivative of 4R square is 0 minus 2b, b square minus b square, derivative of minus b square is minus 2b. Okay? Okay, 2 cancel. Okay, square root of 4R square minus b square plus, not plus, minus, plus into minus, minus b square by square root of 4R square minus b square. LCM, square root of 4R square minus b square LCM. This is 4R square minus b square minus b square. Okay? Multiply these two, you get 4R square, 4R square minus b square. So, equal to, at the turning point, this is equal to 0, right? So, equal to 0. So, when you cross multiply, this is also equal to 0. That is 4R square minus b square is minus 2b square equals 0. So, minus 2b square equals minus 4R square. B square equals 2R square. B is equal to what? R root 2. B is equal to R root 2. Okay, that is the turning point. R root 2. B is R root 2. B equals R root 2. Then what is A? You need to find out A. Square root of 4R square. A is equal to what? Square root of 4R square minus b square. B square is what? B square is 2R square. Minus 2R square into 2R square. B is 2R square. What is square root of, what is this? 4R square minus 2R square is 2R square. Square root of 2R square into 2R square. Right? No. B is R root 2. B is R root 2. R root 2. Okay? This is also R root 2. R root 2 times R root 2 is what? R square, 2R square. So this one is 2R square. That is, we need to show that 2R square is the maximum area. See, the largest means my maximum. 2R square is the maximum area. How can you show that? So What is dB by dA by dB? dA by dB is this one. dA by dB. I'm going to write one more time. dA by dB equals 4r square minus b square minus 2b square divided by 4r square square root of 4r square minus b square. Okay? Differentiate one more time. So d square A by dB square. If it is negative, area is the maximum. If it is positive, area is the minimum. We need to show that d square A by dB square is a negative number. Okay? This one, square root of 4r square minus b square into derivative of this. Derivative of 4r square is 0. Derivative of minus 2b square is minus 4b minus 4r square minus 2b square into derivative of this by 2 root 4r square minus b square into minus 2b divided by square of this, that is derivative of u by v. Okay, derivative of u by v is what? V into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v by v square. That is the formula we need to apply. Okay, what is the square of this? 4r square minus b square. You don't need to write the square root. When you take square root cancel, because see, square root of x minus times square root of x is what? X. How did you get that? Square root of x means x to the power half. X to the power half. Half plus half 1. X to the power 1. X. So the same thing. So here I'm going to erase this. Minus 4b into square root of 4r square minus b square. Minus into minus plus 4r square minus 2b square into 2b by here 2 into 4r square minus b square. You can cancel out 2. So and take the LCM. So minus 4b into square root times square root 4r square minus b square plus 4r square minus 2b square into b by this one 4r square minus b square raised to half, right? Into this half plus 1, 3 by 2. Okay, so we need to show that you don't need to calculate everything. B is what? B r root. Just substitute that here. Minus 4 r root 2. Then 4r square minus b square is 2r square plus 4r square minus 4r square minus 2b square is what? 2b square is 2 root 2b square is 4r square into b by 4r square minus b square the whole raised to 3 by 2. Okay, this term cancel out because 4r square minus 4r square is 0. So here 2r square minus 4r root 2 into 2 4r square minus 2r square is 2r square divided by this one is a positive number because r square is always greater, that is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse minus base square. So we can calculate that, okay? Divided by 4r square minus b square is what? B square is 2r square. 4r square minus 2r square is 2r square. So you get a positive number. Okay, here see negative. Negative times a positive number is always negative. So this is a maximum value. Maximum value. Okay, that is area is the maximum value. We need to show that that area is the area of a square. But this is B. You need to find the length. How can you find the length? See, there is a relation between R square is equal to what? R square is equal to B square by 4 plus L square by 4. Right? So R square plus is equal to B square by 4 plus L square by 4. R square minus B square, multiplying throughout by 4. So 4R square equals B square plus L square. L square is equal to what? 4R square minus B square. What is B square? 2R square. So 4R square minus 2R square equals L square. 4R square minus 2R square is what? 2R square. 2R square is equal to L square. What is L? L is equal to square root of this. That is R root 2. So length and breadth are same. Breadth is also R root 2. Length is also R root 2. So it is a square. R root 2, R root 2. Square. Okay. So this is I think 10 or 15 steps. You guys need to do everything. Take a pencil and paper. Do everything 2-3 times. Okay. Okay. See you next time. Okay.